Hi, my name's Zoe Hemming and I'm an aromatherapist, and I just want to talk to you for a few minutes about how you can use aromatherapy in your pregnancy. Having been pregnant 3 times myself, I certainly find the last few months quite a slog, and quite a lot of the symptoms that you have as a pregnant woman, namely stretch marks, not being able to get comfortable, backache, not being able to sleep and settle, mood swings, fluid retention. You feel there's nothing you can do about any of those things. You try and do and eat and drink all the right natural things, pick up a bottle of any lotion or potion, and it says do not use when pregnant or breastfeeding, which means you feel like you're a bit lumbered. During my last 5 years as working as an aromatherapist, I've specialised in working with pregnant women, and have found there's actually quite a lot you can do to make yourself more comfortable in pregnancy. My job as an aromatherapist is to pre-blend specific oils which have specific properties which can really help, particularly with getting a great night's sleep. For more information, have a look at edenaromatherapy.co.uk, which is my website, which is where you'll find access to lots more information about how to use aromatherapy in your pregnancy, as well as giving birth, and how to use it even with your babies and children, and also how to get hold of ready-to-use, off-the-shelf, accessible aromatherapy treatments to help you.